Hey Brooklyn, I just wanted to show you what I was having him do at school. As far as I know, it should be free to access what I was having him do. So let me know if I'm not right about that. So when you go to Starfall, so www.starfall.com, I was having him press on kindergarten and pre-K because that's where you can do the letters and sounds. And then here I was having him do ABCs. Another thing he could do is learn to read, or it's fun to read, or I'm reading. I believe that he should be able to, at school, he was able to press on the letters and then
A, A.
and do activities like that. So let me know if that somehow doesn't work for you guys. But yeah, it should be free. Please don't spend money um, because that would be, I wouldn't want you to have to do that. All right. Let me know how it goes, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.